He's been breaking for 10 years straight, so you know he's here to
Marge,
stay.
get my stun gun.
The energy's a thriller, and the cards are always killer. Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
All right, guys, so we are live with the break right now. So this is 2020 Topps Transcendent. One of my favorite products to open for sure is Transcendent, just because of the amazing hits involved. All right, you ready, Jay Brooks? $70. Case 70 of 95. All right, you ready, buddy? All right, 1, 2, 3, go. That is so much easier to do with two people, let me tell you. Okay, here we go. Save those. Let's move this back a little bit. Sketch set. 70 of 95. You want to put that on the shelf already? It's so much easier with two people. Okay. That is down. Oh, we got a book. We got a book. That is such a big hit, you guys. I don't know why I'm showing it to the camera. You can't see it. We got a book. It's going to be a big name, because there's only big names in the books.
That was the missing piece last time.
Yeah, right? Here's the other thing for the shelf. And here are the autos. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, that is the Harper. This is the Super. This is the Sketch. Okay. All right, guys. So I need, yep, that's actually pretty close. Woo! You guys, I am really, really, really excited. We got a book. Jeter or DiMaggio? I would like DiMaggio. I'm going to be honest with you. All right, my friends. It just depends. It's expensive. Talk to my staff, but all I want is shipping. But, you know, we've got a couple extras too, so honestly, it shouldn't be any trouble at all. Okay, main stage, ready? Hey, there's the main stage. All right. Little, looks like a little off kilter there. Hey, there we go. I'm going to move this over a little bit, but you can still, the upper the upper camera, the overhead camera, the upper camera from the upper room. upper room. The upper room camera, that's what I'm calling it from now. Still shows where it is. I mean, it's hard to see. You can only see that much of it, but if you look at the upper room camera. Oh no, man. Okay, turning it around. All right, guys, here we go. I know it's gonna sound terrible, but I really hope that The base set sucks. 10 of 25. 10 of 25? And that's not going to work. Why are these here then? Oh, okay. Hold on. Hold on. Now let's try it. There we go. Much better. Albert Pujols, 12 of 25. Bregman's a cheater to 15, 11 of 15 on the cheater. A-Rod, 4 of 15. Tony Two Bags, 22 of 25. Now I like this next card, but it's not the 1 of 1 that you want. I mean, it's not. I mean, it is for me. I like it. Brendan McKay, 1 of 1. Which just tells me that, you know, to me that means that the cut's going to be amazing. Or the book. The book might have a cut. I don't know if it's a bat barrel, bat knob. Either way. Bryce Harper, 11 of 25. Oh, I like this one, though. Cal Ripken Jr. Is XLB in this break? Cal Ripken. So, I mean, that one's nice for sure. Yastrzemski. 8 of 10. Yastrzemski. All right. Carlton Fisk, 15 of 25. And another Carlton Fisk, 3 of 10. Christian Yelich, 6 of 25. David Ortiz, 3 of 15. Derek Jeter, 11 of 25. Man. So if you're here for the book, I haven't shown it yet. It's right over here. 15 of 25, Dustin May. Edgar, 25 of 25. Eloy Jimenez, 10 of 25. Fernando Tatis, 3 of 10. Nice card. Nice hit. Freddie Freeman, MVP, 8 of 10. Hey, what's up, Dusty? Garrett Cole, 23 of 25. Glaber, 14 of 25. Glaber Torres. Nice hit. Rest in peace. Hank Aaron, 10 of 15. It's a nice card. Hideki, 12 of 15. Yes, I do. I do believe that autos are picked by hand to balance the case. 21 of 25. Now, sometimes they're just both awesome, but I think that's on purpose too. I think they want a couple cases that are just crazy because those are the ones everybody talks about, you know? Ichiro, 14 of 15. 2 times, 2 of 15, Jacob deGrom. Joe Mauer Power, 1 of 10. He's a cheater. Jose Altuve, 15 of 25. Juan Soto, 5 of 10. Juan Soto. 7 of 15. Ken Griffey Jr. Such a nice card. Larry Walker, 24 of 25. 25. Larry Walker. Luis Robert, 18 of 25. Luis Robert. Miguel Cabrera, 1 of 25. Miggy. Michael Jack, 4 of 10. Michael Jack Schmidt. 548? Is that right? 548 home runs? I think so. He's back. Michael Jack Schmidt. 17 of 25. Mike Trout. 15 of 15. Mike Trout. Nice card. Arenado. 21 of 25. I mean, I think so, Cyrus. Yes. I would agree to that, yeah. Nolan Ryan. 1 of 15. Nolan Ryan. Pedro. 6 of 10. Pedro. Pete Alonso. 3 of 10. Pete Alonso. Wow, we hit a third 1 of 1, which I think would happen in the Ryu case too. 3 1 of 1s. I've only done that a couple times, and usually it's with weak 1 of 1s, which kind of makes sense because the Devers and the Brendan McKay are both, I mean, they're both weak 1 of 1s. I mean, I'm sure they're I know they're fantastic players. But we also had Cal Ripken, so I don't know. Reggie Jackson, 10 of 10. Nice card. Ricky, I love this card. I always think he's holding up 2 bases. That one base, such a weird angle. 23 of 25. Ricky Henderson. If you don't know the story of Ricky Henderson's $1 million check from the Mets, you have to Google it. I believe there's I don't know if there's a video, but there is like a radio broadcast, like a audio. It's amazing. 17 of 25. Ronald Acuna. 3 of 25. Vladdy's daddy. 3 of 25. Vladito. 4 of 15. Vladdy Guerrero Jr. Wade Boggs. 17 of 25. The Chicken Man. Walker Buehler. 14 of 15. Walker Buehler. Mancada. 9 of 15. Mancada. 1 auto left. Should be Alvarez or another Mancada. And it is Jordan Alvarez. 3 of 15. Okay. I now have some very amazing things to show you. And they are called yellow pieces of paper. No, that's not what I have to show you. I'm kidding. It's a joke. Hopefully somebody was able to make I forgot to ask, but hopefully somebody made us a list and we can go straight to the random because I've got Heritage to break tonight, a lot of Heritage. Jay Brooks is helping. I'm doing the first 4 cases, and then Jay Brooks is doing the cases 5 and 6. Turn back the clock. What? That's a 2019. 1989, Turn Back the Clock. They did those a couple different years, but I guess that one's the 89 version. Here is your sketch. Ernie Banks. That's a good sketch. Mr. Cub. Ernie Banks, 1 of 1. Sorry. Gavin Lux. Now, this would be considered a weak super. I know a guy, but that's that would be considered a weak super. Should I show this? Nah, let's show this. We're going to show the book second. You guys ready? Come on, be big. Be so big. You know, people were talking about this one. I don't know if that's good or not. I don't really know. But people were talking about this one. This one garnered some conversation. Mother Teresa. All right, I'm gonna reserve judgment because I'm just not sure. All right, the name is over here. I don't want to see the name. I just want to cut this open. I want to see the name the same time you guys do, you know? It's a bat knob. How do I do this without seeing the name? I guess. Oh, there's still foam. There's still foam. All right, guys, ready? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, you guys. Wow. So we hit Mother Teresa as the auto. I mean, it's nothing, but we also hit Roger Hornsby, bat knob. Yeah, that's right. 400 hitter. Someone's at the door. Wow, guys. It's so cool to be able to pull that. You know what I mean? It's so cool to be able to pull that. Not only did we hit the Hornsby cut auto, but we also have a Hornsby bat knob. Man. That's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Oh, I gotta get a photo. Dang. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me get a photo. I have to move it a little bit here. Wow, what a car. Oh my gosh. Woo. Saving your video, guys. Saving your video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you enjoyed what you watched, smash the like button. And if you're looking for a great group break, remember.
Oh my
He's
gosh.
been breaking for 10 years straight. Who knows what he'll pull today? Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
This has been a production of CFB TV.